Hey everyone, if your Snapchat won't let you delete your account because of the 72-hour restriction, here's what you need to do. Let's get started. So, first, if you recently logged into your Snapchat account after requesting deletion, Snapchat automatically reactivates it, which triggers the 72-hour lock again. So don't log in again and wait for the full 72 hours because Snapchat requires you to stay completely logged out for 72 hours before the account permanently deletes. If you log in by mistake, you must restart the countdown, so avoid opening the app or logging in on any device. And that's it. The only fix is to avoid logging in until the 72-hour time is over. After that, your Snapchat account will be permanently deleted. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.